It's no secret that flowers brighten our lives and put a smile on your face. And if there's one perennial that really does make you feel happy when you look at all of these happy little faces, it has to be the perennial violas. And in particular, I want to show you this very nice series, which is called the Celestial Series. There are 4 here, and first of all is this very nice one here that's called Blue Moon. As you see, a lovely blending of soft, creamy white and lilac-y blue shades. Then look at this deep dark beauty here that's called Northern Lights. And then take a look at this perky little one here that's Starry Night. Look at that beautiful coloring and shading that comes from it. And then look at Twilight. Here's one that just brightens you up and just brings a smile to your face as soon as you see these gorgeous little flowers. Now, what's interesting about this series is that it was bred in Australia. Steve Eggleton, a professional plant breeder, has been working on them and has perfected this series that brings with it enhanced winter hardiness, earlier flowering, compact habit, and also, very important with violas, heat tolerance. So here's a series that starts to flower in spring, heavily, as you see, very free flowering, compact mounds, wonderful for putting into window boxes and pots, perhaps into borders, somewhere where they're going to be able to enjoy, partly shade conditions, I suppose, though if they have plenty of organic matter worked in with the soil, they really will take quite a lot of sun too. Then they will flower periodically during the summertime and then come back again in the autumn to give another strong performance. So this is the Celestial Series, really beautiful little happy faces to brighten up our lives.